Meta Ads is a unified platform for advertising across Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and the Audience Network. It offers businesses access to over 2.28 billion users, providing a massive reach. Whether you're a startup or an established enterprise, Meta Ads delivers powerful, affordable, and flexible tools tailored to various business needs. Meta Ads serves as a unified platform, streamlining campaigns across Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and the Audience Network. With access to over 2.28 billion users, it offers businesses an unparalleled opportunity to scale. Its versatile tools cater to both startups and established enterprises, providing powerful, affordable, and flexible advertising solutions. Meta Ads offers precision targeting through advanced algorithms, ensuring your ads reach the right audience. Utilize diverse ad formats like static images, videos, and carousels to effectively convey your brand story. The integrated Meta Ads Manager allows seamless campaign creation, monitoring, and optimization, delivering proven return on investment by enhancing brand awareness, driving traffic, and boosting sales conversions. The Meta Ads ecosystem offers a unified platform for diverse ad placements. Leverage Facebook's vast network, Instagram's visual appeal, Messenger's direct communication, and the Audience Network's extensive reach. This integration ensures your ads appear where your audience is most active, maximizing engagement and impact across multiple channels. Begin by creating a Meta Business Suite account at business.facebook.com to establish your business presence. Link your Facebook business page and Instagram professional account for seamless cross-platform advertising. Configure your ad account with essential business details, payment methods, time zone, and currency settings to ensure accurate billing and reporting. The Meta Pixel is a crucial JavaScript snippet for tracking visitor actions on your website. It enhances advertising by tracking conversions, retargeting visitors, and optimizing ad delivery. Easily integrate it with platforms like Shopify and WordPress. Verify domain ownership and configure event tracking for optimal performance and analytics. Meta Ads Manager is essential for crafting effective campaigns. Start by selecting your primary objective: brand awareness to enhance recognition, traffic to boost site visits, engagement to increase interactions, leads to gather user data, or sales to optimize conversions. Each objective tailors your strategy for maximum impact across Meta platforms. Brand awareness aims to maximize reach, like a coffee shop showcasing its unique atmosphere to locals. Traffic focuses on driving visitors to your site, such as an online bookstore promoting a sale. Engagement boosts interactions, exemplified by a fitness influencer encouraging comments on a workout video to foster community. Leads focus on gathering user data through forms on Facebook or Instagram, like a real estate agency offering a home buyer's guide for email addresses. Sales conversions aim to drive actions like purchases, using dynamic ads to remind users of items they viewed. Selecting the right objective is vital for optimizing ad delivery and measuring success. Meta's advanced targeting allows precise audience definition through demographics, interests, and behaviors. Demographics include age, gender, and income. Interests cover hobbies and shopping habits. Behaviors utilize online activity and purchase patterns. These layers enable marketers to reach specific segments effectively, enhancing engagement and conversion rates. Custom audiences allow precise targeting using your data, retarget website visitors, upload customer lists, engage app users, and target content interactors. Lookalike audiences expand reach by finding users similar to top customers, using a 1 to 10% similarity scale. These strategies outperform broad targeting by 30 to 50% in engagement and conversion, maximizing return on investment. Budgeting and ad placements are crucial for campaign success. Use daily budgets for consistent goals and lifetime budgets for optimized spending. Start with $5 to $10 per day to test, then scale. Advantage Plus placements leverage Meta's algorithm for efficiency, while manual placements allow targeting specific locations like Facebook feed, Instagram stories, and Messenger for high visibility and extended reach. Creative excellence in meta ads hinges on understanding ad formats. Image ads are visually striking, perfect for product showcases. Video ads, with 67.5% higher click-through rates, excel in storytelling. Carousel ads offer interactivity, ideal for product catalogs or step-by-step processes, using up to 10 images or videos to engage users effectively. Designing effective meta ads requires minimal text, with headlines under 40 characters and primary text under 125 characters for mobile readability. Use clear action-oriented call to actions like "Shop Now." Focus on mobile-first designs, ensuring vertical formats and thumb-friendly interactions. Maintain brand consistency with colors, fonts, and imagery. Carousel ads enhance engagement by allowing interactive storytelling through swiping. Data-driven optimization elevates campaigns. Use Meta Ads Manager for analytics to track performance. Key metrics include click-through rate for ad relevance, cost per result for cost efficiency, and return on ad spend for profitability. Monitor frequency to avoid ad fatigue. Optimize by testing variables, scaling successful strategies, and reallocating budgets. A/B testing requires 3 to 7 days and 50 conversions for significance.